888. This angel number is saying to you today, your qualities will be recognized as you embody more self-confidence. Hold yourself in high regard and abundance will follow. Type 888 to bolster your inner strength. God is saying to you today, everyone is facing their own battles every day. Please encourage one another. Life is too short to others down. I love you. The universe is saying to you today, where there is completion, there are new doors of opportunity. Ending leads to new beginnings. Focus, engage, and be the best that you can be. Trust yourself more. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.